boys and girls. This is Mrs. Jones coming to you with my cat, Olive. And today, Olive and I are going to read Bear Snores On. It goes with the other book that we read, Bear Feels Sick, okay? And so, the author of this book is Carmen Wilson. And what my boys and girls like to do at school, we say the author writes the words. And the illustrator is Jane Chapman. And we act like we're drawing a picture, and we say the illustrator draws the picture, okay? In the title of the book, we go like this. The title of the book is the name of the book, all right? And so the title of this book is Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled up in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. You see him asleep down here? An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. A spark, I bet he's taking those twigs. See how he's rubbing them together? He's rubbing them together, he's trying to get a spark to start a bigger fire. I bet he's doing that to keep himself warm. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He's still asleep. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. What does the hare look like? A rabbit? "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." And so they pop white corn and they brew black tea. They're using the heat to pop the corn and to keep the heat of the tea hot. Mouse sips, wee slurps, bear burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. Still asleep, and they look like they're having a good time, don't they? A badger scuttles by, sniffs up the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Honey nuts sound good, don't they? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He must be in a really deep sleep. What do you think that deep sleep is called? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor when a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. So they're all coming from outside to stay warm by the fire, and they seem to all know each other. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, oh no. What do you think he's gonna do? Let's see. Is he going to yawn? No. Is he going to cough? No. What's he gonna do? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no. Do you think he's gonna wake up now? Maybe he was sneezing in his sleep. I don't know. He's been in a really deep sleep. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. Look, everything's scattered. And they're trying to get out of the cave and he looks kind of mad. Do you think he's going to be mad? You've snuck in my lair and you have had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Look how happy he looks. They all look so happy. They're sitting on the fire. They're eating. They're talking. Bear's telling stories. But his friends snore on. Since Bear had been in a deep sleep called hibernation and the other animals weren't yet, he was wide awake and they were starting to get sleepy. So this was Bear Snores On. And that was our book for today. Now, your math challenge is going to be, I want you to count all the trees in your yard and all the trees in your neighbor's yard. And then I want you to add them together and tell me how many trees both yards have. And you can leave your answer in the comment section below. I hope everyone has a good evening. Bye.